Hello friends, this is Bhupati. We are learning Windows commands and this is part 5. In this video we are going to learn about move command. Move command is useful to move the file from one location to different location and also to rename the directory. Let us see in detail how this command works. I have already opened command prompt in administrator. So in administrator mode I have opened it. Now what I am going to do means I am going to copy a text file from one location to different location. Now I will move to where I am going to move the file. I will show you the path. Now in test folder, see this folder is empty, 0 bytes. Okay, see users test. In this folder I am going to move one file from the D drive. Now let us navigate to D drive. D drive, CD automation directory. You can see in the path D automation I have a file called rpa-tips.txt. It is a text file. I want to move this text file from this drive, D drive automation folder, to C drive users test folder. Okay, before executing this command, let us see in detail about this command. Okay, what to do? Move. If you like to know anything in detail about that particular command, then syntax is type that command name space /?. Now let us see this. Using move command you can perform two functions. One is to move one or more files, another one is you can rename a directory. Let me explain the syntax of move command. First thing is you should write the command name move and then you can mention either /y or /-y. What actually the meaning of it is, while moving a file from one location to different location, if the file already exists in the destination folder, then you will get a alert message, file already exists. If you want to suppress that alert message, then you can use this one, /y. This is what it is explained here. If you want to see that alert message before you overwrite any file while moving, then you can use /-y. Next thing is drive : this is if you are moving the file within one drive itself. For example, in C drive itself you can move one file to a different folder, then actually this drive : is not required. If it is in different path means different drive means, then you can mention, and then path of that, your file name, and then destination path name. If you want to rename the file, you check the difference here, that you will give the destination folder while moving file to a different directory, but to rename a directory just you need to give the different file name here. Other syntaxes are same, move /y or /-y, that is to suppress the prompt or not, and then drive, if you are moving or renaming a directory which is in different drive, then you need to mention the drive, otherwise you no need to mention. And then path, file name, that is the file name you wish to rename, and then here is the new file name. Okay, now let us see how this command works. So first we will check what are the files available in the automation folder. I used the command dir. It lists out all the directories in the automation folder. You can see rpa-tips.txt file is there. Now I want to move this file to C drive users test folder. Move, which file I wish to move? rpa-tips.txt. okay, drive users test. Okay, so move command, I have not used that suppress prompt y /y or /-y. You will see that after completing this command. And then file name, which file name I wish to move. Okay, now I'll enter one file moved. Now what we do, now we will go to the C drive. To change the drive, we need to use the drive name, it is C drive colon test dir. You can see earlier there was no files in the test folder. Now we can see rpa-tips.txt file moved from the automation folder to test folder. What I do means I will copy rpa tips.txt to D drive automation. What I am doing means, now I am copying the file rpa tips to automation also. Why I am doing this means just to show how that /y, that is suppressing the prompt message, how it works, that command. So I am doing this. Now in both the folders, that is D drive automation folder and then C users test folder, in both the folders this file exists, rpa tips. Okay, now we will check it out. In test folder, yes, rpa tips.txt file exists. Now I will navigate to automation folder, dir. See, this is D drive automation folder, and here also rpa tips.txt exists now. Now what I do, I will try to move this file rpa tips.txt again to the C users test folder. Let us see what happens. Move rpa tips.txt C drive users test, enter. You can see the file exists, that means it is not moved, 0 files moved it is showing, but I want this file to be moved there. Even if the same file already exists, what should I do? Move /y. Now rpa tips.txt C users txt. Now you can see file is moved. Now I will use the dir command. rpa tips.txt will not be here. You can see it is moved to there, that is it override the existing file in C users test folder. Let us change directory, D drive, C drive users test. You can see rpa tips.txt is moved from the automation folder. Now we'll see the next command, that is how to rename a file using move command. Now what is the file in test folder? rpa tips.txt. Now we will rename it. Move. I no need to mention the drive name because it is in the same drive. I am just going to rename within the same drive. rpa tips.txt. So new file name is automation tips.txt. Enter. You can see it is now renamed. I will give the command dir to list out the directories in the test folder. Enter. You can see previously it was rpa tips.txt, and using the move command we are able to change the directory name to automation tips.txt. We can also move the file by renaming it. Let us see how can we do that. I will shift to A drive. In A drive there is a file called capture.png. It is an image file, so it is opening. Okay, now I want to move this file to test folder, C users test folder, by renaming it. Let us see how can we do that. So this is our current directory now. Move a:\capture.png. In test folder we need to move. Before move I want to rename as move command.png. Now enter. So now one file moved. While moving it is renamed that file. Now we will go back to test folder. Already we are in test folder directory only. Now we'll click on dir. You can see move command.png, but initially the file name was capture. While moving, we renamed the file as move command and moved it to test folder. Now let us try to open it. Move command.png, enter. Now again also we are able to open the same file. This is how you can use move command for both renaming a file and moving the file from one location to different location. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and support our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.